All right, so the fountain was moved over there so that Mike can work on this. So the goal is to stabilize the fountain, and then Mike is taking out all those old bricks, the bricks that was placed before. So then I cover the cacti for safety. This one no need because, like I said, I remove all the thorns and those two. So cover all the cacti to protect the legs of Mike. Alright. Just removing the last one. Alright, there you go. So fully covered. Like I said, the tree, 1, 2, 3. I trim the thorns. Okay. This time, because when the first time we just did this, it's not. We don't have the label, the one that is using right now. So we got in Home Depot, and then that's the reason why we need to redo it. And then we don't want the small bricks, square bricks. We've got Mike got these bigger bricks. So he's labeling it. And then make sure you put sand on the ground so that it will not. What's the purpose of the sand bed?
To level it.
To level it. Because if you put just without the sand.
Do we have more sand?
Yeah. Okay, he's adding sand.
You cover the whole thing, okay?
Yeah. You need more, we have more.
Oh, that's perfect.
How you call that yellow label?
It's a level.
It's a level. Since anyway we're doing this redoing, why we are redoing to make it looks better, so the fountain is safe. And since we're changing the width liner, I have another idea.
Now for the hard part.
That's good, Beb.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Where?
Do that back.
Okay, so let me discuss while so finally I'm looking for my rain gutter, and I need to put plants there someday. So I decided, since by doing gardening, my observation, I don't want to put any succulents. because of the mealy bugs. So I decided either to put plant flowers or anything like cacti. So my final decision is, because I don't want to buy any plants anymore, which I have here. Alright, so this is the big pavers that Mike got in Home Depot. So it's $9 something. So instead of the previous one, the 4 square brick, we decided to put this one. This is more stable and it will stabilize the fountain. Okay, measuring so that to put it on the center. It's measuring side by side. Okay, we're trying to put another paver on the top to make it higher. If it's not movable, we will keep it like that. Alright, so this is the after. It's a mess, but it's in line now. It has a good base now. And then I'm gonna take out all the weed liner and we're gonna redo it. But let me clean first this one, so Mike will put a water. Okay, he's checking the level. While he's doing that, I can this is the way I clean this part. See, so easy to take out. See, easy to take out. I don't use soap. I don't use anything. Babe, do me a favor, can you uplift this one so I can clean up the moats? Higher.
But you can't do any higher.
There. Okay. Alright, how to take out the water here is this the way I do it. So this is the outcome for now. It looks like this. So it's like a 2 tire there, the main big one, and we put a second one. And then this fountain was already cleaned, so easy. And then now Mike will put the water. We'll pour water. We'll build up this fountain. There you go. So this come out because we want to stabilize the foundation of the fountain. So this will be the part. This is not the part 3. This is additional care for desert cacti garden. So first is we put the weed liner, and then I planted the plants. As you do the project, you will see some things that is not good, so you keep redoing it until it looks better and stabilized. There. So after this film, we're gonna detach all this, all are off camera, and then I'm gonna put back the weed liner. That would be included in the next video. Good job. Beautiful.